Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide page here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Hiding a page in Canva is a straightforward process and is very useful when you want to keep your design organized without deleting content. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the project or design that you are currently working with. If you haven't already, just click on the templates right here. Click the business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. Or if you have a specific design in your mind, just click the create a design option in the upper left corner. But in my case, I'm gonna choose the create a blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload a thumbnail alongside with it in our GPLAF's YouTube channel. Now from here, what I'm going to do is click the upload button. Alright, so this. After that, I'm going to add more elements here in the canvas. For example, this so right here, the third element is gonna be a text. For example, this Halloween, I'm gonna resize that to maybe like 100 effects. Okay, so for example, this is gonna be my these are going to be the pages that I'm working with. Okay, so on the bottom right corner, you'll see there's going to be a 4 squares. That's going to be the grid view. If you click on it, you would notice that you'll be having an option to kind of like see the overall pages that you have in your design. Now there is an option if you click the 3 dots or ellipsis buttons that says hide page. All right. Or click the design right here. There's going to be another option on the top right corner that says hide. So you have all these. Basically, you can use the 3 dots button here. Click the hide button. And of course, you also have the option to click on hide button here. All right, hiding pages in Canva is a practical feature that enhances organization and efficiency, allowing you to work more effectively on your designs while keeping everything accessible when needed. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.